If you're watching this video, it's because you want to download Sky Factory 4, which is a very popular Minecraft mod pack. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support me as well. To download the Sky Factory 4 mod pack, we're going to install an application that lets you easily and quickly add mods and mod packs to Minecraft. This application is called CurseForge. Downloading CurseForge is very quick, and I'll explain how to do it. First, open a tab in Google and search for CurseForge just like I did here. Then click on the first result that appears. It will open the website that I'm on right now. Make sure it's the correct website, curseforge.com. After that, click on the Get CurseForge app button and you'll be redirected to another page. Here, you need to click on Download Standalone. Once you click it, the CurseForge installer will be downloaded to your computer. Open your Downloads folder, launch the installer, and follow all the installation steps on your computer. After completing everything successfully, the program will open on your computer. And this is the program. If this is your first time using the app, you'll need to connect your Microsoft account with your CurseForge account so CurseForge can access your Minecraft game. This process is usually very simple. Just follow all the requested steps, which will involve entering a code that appears here. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft website where you'll paste the code and connect your Microsoft account to CurseForge. After doing that, Minecraft should automatically appear here. If it doesn't, just click on the Add a Game option, scan your computer for games, or manually add Minecraft to CurseForge. Once you've done that successfully, the Minecraft icon will appear on the left sidebar. Click on it. Here you'll see some options. The first option is called My Mod Packs, where you can see all the mod packs you've already downloaded. As you can see, I already downloaded RLC Craft and another mod pack to optimize my gameplay. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sky Factory 4. To do this, you could click on Browse and scroll until you find it, but that wouldn't be very fast. The best way is to click on the search bar, type Sky Factory, and press Enter. You'll find several options, but the original one is this first option, Sky Factory 4. To make sure it's the original version, check if the developer name matches the one I'm showing you here. It has several game versions available, but the version I'm downloading right now is this one here. To install it into Minecraft, all you need to do is click on the mod pack and then click the Install button. The mod pack will automatically start downloading to your computer. Going back to the My Mod Packs section, you can see that Sky Factory 4 is downloading successfully. Once the download is finished, simply click Play, and Minecraft will launch with Sky Factory 4 installed. And as you can see, I'm already inside the game. It's simple and quick to download mods and mod packs using CurseForge. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel to support me.